This is how you can use Claude to create sprites and import them directly into Unity. For this, you're going to need to have a subscription to PixelLab. It's only about $12 or $13 a month, and you can get it cheaper with discounts. Also, you get a lot of generations with their base tier subscription. Once you do that, go into the Vibe coding section, go to the right side drop down, and go to Claude Desktop. Follow the instructions to update the developer configuration file. I can't show you exactly how to do it because it does contain secret information that's only associated to your account. So once you have Claude and PixelLab set up, you'll also need to go back to Unity and make sure you have MCP set up. If you haven't done that, just follow this video. So what we're going to do next is give Claude a prompt and a reference image. So this is the reference image I'm using. I just had AI generate it for me. You might have some issues with Unity and Claude trying to use a deprecated package that we remove when setting up MCP. So I told Claude to create a sprite using PixelLab API that is saved in the config file using the reference image and import the sprite into Unity. Do not use any Unity AI generators to try to get it into Unity. If you want a more in-depth AI workflow that takes you deeper and a better understanding on how to actually use AI to speed up your game dev process, then you should check out AI Game Dev Lab, where I go over all the best practices on how to use AI in game dev for Unity. There's a link in the comments. So this is the pixel sprite that Claude created using PixelLab. As you can see, it imported it directly into Unity like we asked. Now the sprite is not perfect, but that's where more prompts and iteration can come in. But it's pretty simple now to use Claude and PixelLab to create sprites and import them directly into Unity. So there you go, that's how you can use Claude and PixelLab to create and import sprites directly into Unity, and it works even better if you use it for icons and UI elements. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.